Well, welcome to the Channel Show, folks. Today's task, we're going to take this down. We're going to try to save as much as we can. This old shed was built way back when by somebody on my family, and it was designed to let air through so it could dry out beans and corn or whatnot. And we're going to try to save as many of these as we can. And the whole thing's built out of, but the roof is fell in. We've already got old buddy over here cleaning up around it. We're going to use the grapple bucket to take all of this mess up to a burn pile. Might have to get a few things out of here, but as you can see, this thing is, yep, insurance company ain't too excited about it, so we gotta get all this out of here, and then we're gonna start turning into it. Stay tuned. Here we go. The fun begins. So, as you can see, we've got the shed pretty much gone. And like I said, I was going to be saving all the logs that I could out of that shed there. You know, and this is just doing a favor for somebody, family member. But I've got all those logs, the ones that wasn't rotten, because a lot of them, as soon as we touch them, they pretty much just snap in half like this. I mean, it's just termites in that, and so we saved what we could of that. We're gonna cover that up with a tarp, and the rest of it, you see me riding on the tractor with me. The rest of it ended up over there in that brush pile. That's 2 trees right there. The rest of the 2 trees is there. So that's just the tops of those trees, and they piled it up and left it lay right there, and then piled that up. Use a truck and a trailer, I reckon. But got old Marv over there on the hoe, and the only thing we're doing now is he's trying to clean it up, make it presentable again. He saved all the rocks over here. So he saved the rocks. Anything old that we find, I'm a stickler for antiques. Look at that Tropicana. Don't know how old that is, but I don't ignore that. But we're gonna keep it, and an old jug. But I'm gonna get back on the tractor there with the grapple bucket. I'm gonna keep on cleaning this up, taking it to the burn pile over there, and then come back and get all them rocks. So, yeah, we about got it wrapped up. That's that. We've got all of it piled up in that brush pile up there. We got all the logs we're saving over there, and yeah, this is where a shed used to be, and now there's no shed. So we got it cleaned up and buried a little bit, the little tiny pieces of wood, dug just a bucket scoop out and shoved it down in there and kind of dressed it up. Like I said, this is for a family member, so it's kind of pro bono, if you will. But that should have it wrapped up, and as always, thanks for watching the Chilton Show, and God bless. Catch you on the next one.